Hello, and welcome to the Accelerated Bachelor of Science and Nursing program here in Orlando, Florida in the Lake Mary area. Today, we're going to take a look at the simulation suites, the skills labs, the testing rooms. We're also going to take a look at some amazing resources that we have at each of our Accelerated Bachelor of Science and Nursing program sites across the country. Let's go take a look. Welcome to our immersive simulation suite. As you can see, it's set up just like a real hospital. That's to give you real practical experience while you're still in school. During these simulations, you will interact with mannequins and standardized patients. The immersive simulation technicians run the equipment from the control room. Some of these mannequins can blink, breathe, and show respiration, and even create lung and bowel sounds. Some have a pulse, so you can check their heart rate. You can even perform IV insertions. One of our mannequins, called Sim Mom, can demonstrate a full live birth scenario or a C-section. This is to give learners a genuine experience in a controlled environment. Each scenario is recorded, so that once the simulation is over, learners can adjourn to the debrief room with a facilitator to discuss what went right, what they could have done better, using video-guided debriefing techniques. This is our skills lab, where students can come in to practice the necessary skills that they will need in a clinical setting. They perform activities such as head-to-toe assessments, checking for vital signs, urinary catheter insertions, IV insertions, as well as medicine administration. On your first day of lab instruction, you will have access to the equipment and supplies necessary to begin learning nursing skills. As a nurse, you may be required to perform home health assessments. Here, we have a fully furnished home health room for you to perform all of your simulations. This is just one example of classrooms you will see at our ABSN learning site locations. We have HESI testing, content exams. We even perform new student orientations here. Everyone needs a little help every now and then, which is why Grand Canyon University has created the Practice Lab. Practice Labs are a voluntary lab that you can sign up for if you may be struggling in an area. For example, let's say you are having an issue with IV insertions. These labs will have nursing instructors on hand to assist you with those very IV insertions you may be struggling with and help you practice until you get it right. It's one of the many tools that Grand Canyon provides to help you throughout your program. Welcome to the Student Lounge. This is your space. This space has been designated to have everything you would need for a full day's work here at the campus. You can make your lunches here, you can eat your lunches here, you can study with friends, and just hang out and see how everybody's doing. The program is both immersive and intensive, allowing you to complete your nursing education in just 16 months. This accelerated timeline is designed to help students to be able to enter the workforce quickly while still being able to handle the demands of a professional nursing career. Thank you for taking the time to tour our ABSN learning site in Orlando, Florida in beautiful Lake Mary. For more information, please contact gcu.edu.